Rachel.
You'd think you'd wake in a house fire, wouldn't you? But just 2 to 3 breaths of toxic smoke and you're unconscious. Your lungs fill up, just like drowning. Don't drown in toxic smoke. Test your smoke alarm weekly.
Mum, tell her I'm watching this.
You watched it yesterday. It's not fair.
Now listen, if you're not going to watch telly together nicely, I'm going to switch it off. I'm absolutely sick and tired of it.
Sandra's kids were going to watch TV if it was the last thing they did. It was. Never leave cooking unattended.
Once upon a time there was a dolly called Matilda. She was afraid of the dark. So the grown-ups put a nightlight in the bedroom. One night, Matilda thought she could smell something funny. It all happened so quickly. "Help! Help!" cried Matilda. Sadly, this is where the story ends.
Smoke from a fire will leave you for dead. Test your smoke alarms this clock change weekend. Tick-tock test before it's too late.
The following video clips show you the kind of advice that we would give you during a home safety assessment. Why not watch the video clips and see if you can successfully complete your own assessment? 1. Plan. Before you go to bed, make sure all obstacles are removed from your escape route, as a blocked route can slow down your exit. Ensure all the internal doors are closed. This will help to prevent fire from spreading throughout your home. Have an escape route planned that you and your family are familiar with. Consider people who may have mobility problems or whether specialist alarms are required for people who are hard of hearing. Keep your door and window keys where everyone can find them, so you can quickly escape. And always make sure you have a telephone next to your bed, ideally a mobile phone. 2. Test. You need to test your smoke alarm once a week. Try to make it part of your household cleaning routine and test it on the same day every week. There should be smoke alarms on every floor of your home, and you should vacuum the alarm regularly to ensure the smoke alarm is kept free from dust. 3. Check. Make sure you turn off electrical appliances before you go to bed or leave the house. Ideally, they need to be switched off at the plug if it's practical. If not, turn them off at the appliance. This includes hair straighteners, irons, portable heaters. Plug sockets should not be overloaded and should meet the manufacturer's recommendations for the maximum voltage. You need to regularly maintain your electrical appliances to check for frayed cables or burn marks. Portable heaters such as fan heaters, ceramic heaters or gas heaters should be placed in a position that does not come into contact with any other material. 4. Care. You should never leave your cooker, grill pan, chip pan, or lit candles or cigarettes unattended. Clean your cooker and grill pan frequently to avoid a buildup of cooking fat residue. Toasters should not be used underneath cupboards. Matches and lighters need to be stored out of the reach of children, and you should never smoke in bed. Don't dry your clothes in front of open wood-burning or coal fires, and your chimney needs to be swept regularly. If your electric blanket is more than 5 years old, you need to consider replacing it. 5. Close. To stop fire spreading and potentially give you those extra few minutes that could save your life, you should close all doors before going to bed or before leaving the property. Introduce a bedtime fire safety routine that includes the following: switching off all electrical appliances if possible, making sure all exit routes are clear, Close all doors and take your keys and mobile telephone with you to ensure you can escape in the event of an emergency. 6. Call 999. It is your responsibility to ensure everyone in your home, including young people, know how to make a 999 call and can provide details of where you live, including house number, street, town, and postcode. You may need to describe local landmarks if you live in an isolated area.
Last year in England, 15 children died in house fires. Children like yours. So parents, I'd like you to make a promise. Repeat after me. I swear on my child's life to test my smoke alarm on clock change day. To give my family the best chance of surviving a house fire. You did promise, didn't you? Because you can't turn back time.